One day, a master drew a line on the ground. He turned to his students and asked, "How do you make this line shorter?" The first student replied quickly, "Cut it in half." The second said, "Erase the front part." A third got excited, "Draw a slash across it to cancel it out." Ideas kept coming. Voices grew louder. Debate grew hotter. Everyone believed they had the right answer, yet no one truly saw the line. The master listened quietly. He said nothing. He simply bent down and beside the line drew a longer one. At that moment, all students fell silent. The line never changed. What changed was the presence of another line beside it. Long or short, beautiful or ugly, high or low, strong or weak, none of these are absolute. Very often, there is nothing wrong with you, you simply saw someone else's line, and doubting your own. Do not compare yourself to others. Comparison is the root of your unhappiness.